tax certificate holder files a tax deed application. That's the first step. So a tax certificate holder, the tax certificate has to be outstanding for over 2 years and not more than 7 years. They make application for tax deed. So they go down to the clerk's office at the county administrator building. This is not a judicial process in Florida. So a tax deed application is not a judicial process. There's no judge. You don't go to the courthouse. You just go to the county clerk where you pay real estate taxes. The application requires full payment of any outstanding certificates. So there's going to be, I hope, maybe only 2 or 3, but there could be as many as 5 certificates outstanding, which will cost you a pretty penny. I mean, in the overall scheme of things, it's not a tremendous amount of money, but it's going to sting for a minute. Okay, additional fees and costs that you have to pay to the clerk. One of those fees and costs is for a title report. Florida Statute 197 says that the clerk that's going to conduct the sale has got to order a title report, which is great because all bidders have access to this title report. And there's lots of reasons that you want to lay your eyes on the title report. We're not going to talk about it today, but it's very important that you learn how to read it and you understand what you're going up against. Okay, so once the application is made, everything is in the right order for the clerk. Now notices are mailed to all parties of interest.